All right, so this lesson is going to be about the 50-20-30 budget rule. So you need to have watched the lesson that I taught really going into budgets. This is just how you do it in Google Sheets. Okay, so we're going to let's go into our math folder in our Google Drive. Let's set up a new Google Sheet and let's just walk through the steps. So the first category is supposed to be fixed expenses, and that's supposed to be 50% of your budget. And this is just all labels that I'm adding in right now. I'm not doing any math. Okay, the next one is financial goals. That's supposed to be 20%. Shoot, I didn't capitalize that. And the last one is flexible spending, which is 30%. Okay, so those are my three categories. I'm changing all this because I can't stand Arial font. Okay, so let's say that my total income is $2,500 a month. That's about what it was when I first started working, actually. So if I want to find out what 50% is of that number, I need to do equals, select that actual cell, and do times. Times on a computer is an asterisk, so you're going to do Shift 8. And then I'm going to do times 0.5, because that's 50% as a decimal. Okay. Same thing for 20%. Select that number, do times, that's Shift 8, 0.20. Then we do equals, select that number, times 0.30. So this tells me, remember, a budget is just about making plans. I should be able to spend about $1,250 on fixed expenses. That's like my rent, paying my bills. Flexible spending, that's like my groceries, my fun, my entertainment, my whatevers, things that are changing every month, things that I could cut back on or increase depending on how things are. I get $750 for that. Then I've got about $500 for financial goals, paying down debt, or saving money. Okay, so let's say, you know what, I am making $2,500 a month, but that's not exactly what my spending is once I get into things, right? I look at this, I try to make a plan around it, but in reality, I'm really spending $1,325 on my fixed expenses. Flexible spending, maybe I'm only spending $566. I don't know. Financial goals. Guess what? That's the stuff that's left over every month. I don't even know. I need to make sure that I don't spend over what I've got. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use a subtraction formula, actually. I'm going to go ahead and take this number and I'm going to subtract my fixed expenses and I'm going to subtract my flexible spending. I just do that by using a regular old subtraction sign. It's right next to the zero. Press enter. Okay, I've got $609 left. Hey, that's actually pretty good. That's better than the other scenario. Now, what I want to know, what I actually care about in this is to know what my percentages are, just to see if, am I close? Am I within that? Am I where I want to be? So I'm going to use equals, and I'm going to divide by my total, right? That's going to give me the percent. That's 53. Okay, that's pretty close. That's not too bad. That's not too far off. Equals this number divided by the total. All right, 22%. If I want to make these actual show up as percentages, I would select them and I'm going to go to format, number. You see there's a percent option. Okay, so I'm at 22% there. I'm at 24% there. You know what? That makes me happy, right? I'm spending less here and I'm spending more here on financial goals. That's awesome. So, 50, 20, 30, whoops, budget. Okay, so when you get your first job, just go ahead and use that to get yourself set up for success.